Hi, my name's Jordan Fleming and I'm one of the co-founders of SmartPhone. And today I want to take just a couple minutes of your time to tell you why SmartPhone is simply put the most powerful VoIP phone system on the market for Citrix Podio. First of all, SmartPhone was built for Podio and built with love by two very passionate Podio partners. We live and breathe Podio. So when we built SmartPhone, we made sure that out of the box, the connectivity is amazing, both from a UI perspective and from an integration into Podio. Now that can save you thousands of dollars of development. If you've never used a VoIP phone system before, SmartPhone is an awesome first step. With SmartPhone, you can buy numbers in over 140 countries at the click of a button, and there are no infrastructure or extra costs needed. This is fantastic if you're adding new offices or, for instance, you move office. I've done this before myself, where the time and money it takes to move your phone infrastructure can be a real drain on your business. With SmartPhone, all you need is an internet connection and you are live with your phone system wherever you are in the world. I can be sitting in an office in Poland and I can be making calls from my North Carolina numbers. No worries about it at all. This is also fantastic for remote workers. If you've got a team of agents in another country or workers who are always on the road, SmartPhone allows them to take their phone system with them on the go. And it's fantastic for billing as well, because no matter how many offices or countries you work in, you have one unified SmartPhone bill. This can save you an enormous amount of money and administrative hassle. So, what are some of the great things about SmartPhone that make it such an amazing tool for Podio users? Well, first of all, of course, there's our SMS API. That gives you full control over how you manage text messaging in your phone system. You can automate them, use drip sequencing, and ensure that automatic responses are generated and sent out the moment an SMS comes in. There's an enormous amount of possibilities there, and it's all incredibly easy using our unified SMS API. Second, of course, is we've launched SmartPhone Pro, a more advanced system for companies who really rely on the phone to drive their sales or customer support. This brings in advanced features like call monitoring, where you can whisper to agents and barge in on calls, warm transfers, and the opportunity to connect to Pro plugins. We've also got the Smart Dialer 4-line auto dialer, where if you're in sales, this can hugely maximize how much sales your agent can do on a daily basis. You simply load up the campaigns and let them at it. And Smart Dialer allows them to get through as many leads as possible in a day. Finally, of course, we've got our iOS app, a dedicated iOS app for SmartPhone, which allows you to take SmartPhone on the road with you. This is fantastic, of course, for people who are sales agents on the road, but also ensures a peace of mind at head office, knowing that your staff can use your phone system to make and receive calls and texts, and not their own personal cell phones. It ensures that all calls and SMS are tracked in Podio every single time. Now, we know that our users love SmartPhone because of its functionality, but they also use SmartPhone and love it because they have the ability to develop the system for them. We get our development ideas directly from talking to our users. And if you sign up today and start your trial, you'll become another voice on our development team, giving your input on how to take this amazing phone system further. Today, you can start up a 30-day free trial and we'll give you $7 of free credit, which will allow you to buy a number and make some test calls. You'll also get access to our internal Podio SmartPhone users workspace, where you can talk directly not only to our team, but a lot of our users who can share ideas of how they've improved their own workflow with SmartPhone and can help you with little hints and tricks that they've learned over the years using SmartPhone. So try it out today, and we look forward to getting your feedback. Happy phoning!